What's up, gamers? X-Xavier here, back again with another Roblox video. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to do the invisible glitch in Roblox. And all you need is an alt or a friend or maybe even a stranger that uses martial artist or and has an alt. Alright, since my alt disconnected, let's pretend that my main account is my alt. This guy is my alt because this guy doesn't have an ultimate yet, and this guy has ultimate. So what you need is step away from your alt, easy, and then make your alt use their ultimate. Yeah, easy, yes. And then final step. Wait, use that first. Alright, so get your alt, use the third skill on them, and then there. And then you need to spam Q, slide dash, and then the second skill at the same time. And there you go. You are now invisible. Alright, here's the POV. Yeah, you can't see it. Wait, I'm lagging. Wait. Any second now. Any second. Any second. Alright, I'm not laggy anymore. So, see, I can attack this guy. Look, see. He's completely invisible. Oh yeah, keep in fact that the new players that join the server after you just do the glitch can see you. For example, you just did the glitch. The people in the server that when you did the glitch before can't see you, but if there's any players that have joined after you did the glitch, they can see you. Yeah, so that's the problem. Look, I'll make this guy leave and rejoin. Wait. Alright, I rejoined again. So as you can see, I can see him, but for me I'm invisible. As you can see, look, I'm invisible, see. But for the other people's POV, the people who rejoined or the new people who joined the server after you did the glitch, they can still see you. They can see you. So don't be surprised if someone can see you. So yeah, that's that's basically how you do the glitch and the notes. So now the part you've all been waiting for, trolling. Oh no, I'm lagging again. And this guy's attacking. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 15k. This actually very slow, very low ping because I a lot of times I get over 100,000 ping. Sometimes I actually got 200,000 ping only once. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's 49,000 ping. Amazing. Okay, it's gonna rise even more eventually. I'm still standing no matter how much ping I have. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Alright, bro. Guys, I'm starting to lag now. I don't think I can show you guys right now. But I do have some clips in my... Oh, never mind. But I do have some clips in my computer, which I'm just gonna add in this video right now. There's only 2 clips though. I'll make more in the future, I promise. Alright? For now, here's the clips.